ahead.
Like right now?
Mm-hmm.
Where did we leave off last time?
Oh, I think that this was all, I don't know, maybe we even had cupboards here.
I thought last time I remember taking some stuff down. Anyway, they're all gone. Flooring's up and gone. We have pulled all the wiring out and relocated and fished all the wires that were in this wall for the switches for the lights. And we fished them and relocated the plug over there on that wall, or the switches on that wall. And then we've installed the 4 pot lights.
Oh my gosh, there's light.
Yeah, so useful lights in useful places. And now we have relocated the plugs on the walls, relocated the plugs for the stove, and we're just getting ready to
Got some stuff here for a carburetor and a dishwasher.
Yeah, and we're going to re-insulate and put the vapor barrier back down, take everything up, and then begin to put drywall back on it. And then once that's done, we can relocate some plumbing and get ready to install the floor. So, yeah, there you go.
And
say hi, man, you're on camera.
here's our junior helper. Looking very sad and depleted.
Long-faced.